In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this ACT math question easy and fast using the T84 plus scientific calculator. Alright, so the question says, what is the value of x when y is equal to 15 for the equation y equals y squared minus 1? Alright, so guys, this question is very simple using the T84 plus scientific calculator. So the very first thing we have to do would be to reset the calculator to put it in default mode. So to reset, just press the second button, then this plus button, go for option 7, press 1, press 2, and it will reset the calculator. All for is done. Press this clear button. Alright, so the next thing will be to go to equation solver. That's the mode or the setting the calculator used to solve this kind of problem. So you press math, go up. So this is solver. Press enter. Okay, so the E1 will be our 15. They say when y is equal to 15. Okay, then come to E2. E2 will be 4x square, alright, minus 1. So that's all. Let's press this graph button now for OK. Alright, assign x to be 0. Very important, guys. And that's all. Now press alpha and enter button to solve it. See, x is equals what 2. So the correct option for this question is what 2. It's as simple as this. This is basically how you can solve this kind of problem using a T84 plus scientific calculator. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's call it a video, guys. If you are new to my channel, ensure that you are subscribed to my channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. Also, like, share and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this kind of question or what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I will ensure to give you a response. So the correct option is option F. Now don't forget to reset the calculator once you are done. To reset, let's go out of this mode, press second and this to quit. Then we say press second plus button, go for option 7, press 1 and press 2. Alright, now click on the end screen above and I see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.